How to fix send it not working on Snapchat. Now, based on my experience, what I did was I made sure that my Snapchat is updated to the latest version and as well as send it. Now, after updating those applications, the issue was just resolved. So to do so, just simply go to your Play Store. If you're using an Android device, go to your Google Play Store. Now look for Send It first. So Send It. Now you'll be able to know if your Send It needs an updating because there will be a visible buttons here that says Update. Once you tap on that, it will automatically update by itself. Now, the other thing that you can do is go back to the search bar and look for Snapchat. Now, if you look for Snapchat, there will also be an update button there that will be visible if you need Snapchat an updating to the latest version. So all you have to do is make sure that your Snapchat and Send It is updated to the latest version for you to be able to use it properly without any problems. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix Send It not working on Snapchat.